Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a goosey. Then you allow this to boil a little bit and you begin to add your spices, your maggi and any other spices, your salt. You add that at this point in time. I really keep it so simple with my spices here, just the all-purpose spice from Ace. And then you can allow this to cook for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can add your proteins, your fish, your pomo. Basically just add these ones for now. If you have beef, you could add it later so it doesn't break, or if you're using fresh fish. Now to make the egusi, put some stew in the egusi, Nigerian egusi that you have, and basically you're going to make it into a paste. You're going to stir it together until it becomes a paste. I know a lot of people do it differently, but this is the way my mother taught me how to do this. Then you kind of like stir it and stir it and stir it until it becomes a subtle paste, and you add those paste as balls into the stew, and you cover it up to steam for a little bit. Now when you open it up, you can still see that there are still balls, and the main reason is because at this point the egusi is still very thick, so you definitely need to do something. You take your spoon and add some water, and when I say some, I actually mean a lot of water. Egusi takes water, guys, so you keep on adding water, and stirring and stirring and stirring until you get to the texture and the amount of water that is thickly or that is needed enough. And then you can now add your beef. For my own case, I added my chicken, and after that your ugu leaf. You put your ugu leaf that you've already washed, you pour it. Is the last thing you add because it's a vegetable and you don't want it to boil to cook for too long. Just after this, just cover it up for like 5 minutes, and yeah, your egusi soup is ready, guys. Your egusi is ready. At this stage, your egusi is absolutely ready. You can serve it with any serving you want, any swallow you want to have.